Hi loves, it's Elle and welcome back to my channel, and today is going to be a first impressions video on something that launched brand new, and it's one of a kind, I believe, and it has some interesting claims. So if you want to know more about that, hit the subscribe button, share this video with somebody you think might like it, and let's do it. Alright you guys, you have asked me about this and I actually didn't even know that it had launched. So you guys kept me in, in the know, so thank you. Right now I have just skincare on, there's nothing on my skin. Today we're talking about this. This is new from Becca Cosmetics. This is called the Becca Zero. It's called the, I actually got it in my Sephora haul video that I did a couple of days ago. It's called the Zero No Pigment Foundation. So I haven't tried this yet. I did try the back of my hand and I'm kind of like, I don't get it. Because everybody's like, oh, this is, try this out. This is a no foundation, da 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 da. So basically it says it's a makeup and skincare hybrid with a transparent matte finish that smooths skin, blurs the look of imperfections while providing lasting hydration. It is a matte finish. It is a cream formula. It's for all skin types. It has hyaluronic acid in it. It is green at Sephora. I do love that Becca is cruelty-free and PETA certified though, so yay for that, and more companies can really fall in line with what they've done. Okay, it says how to use after skincare has fully absorbed. Okay, so this takes some time, so make sure you do your skincare first, let it fully absorb about at least 10 minutes, I would say. And then it says use the spatula to scoop out a pea-sized amount of product, then place into fingertips. Rub fingertips together to warm the product up and smooth over face in circular motions. I just don't get it. Like, is it just a glorified primer? And again, this is the first impressions. I don't do these a lot, but I'm literally reading what's on the website. So if I was you, this is how you would do it, right? The ingredients has no dimethicone in it, so there's no silicone in it. It does have glycerin in it, but hyaluronic acid is like the 8th ingredient down there, so the hyaluronic acid is not going to do a ton for you. Anyway, there we go. So interesting. I don't even know why, like, are they bored and can't think of new products? So this is what it looks like. Literally clear. The packaging is stunning, by the way, though. It is really, really gorgeous. But they always have beautiful packaging. So we're gonna take a pea-size amount on the little spatula that they gave us. I am going to, oh, by the way, it is, how much is this thing? This is $36 for this. So they're pricing it like a foundation, so I'm gonna go like this in between my fingers. Okay. I'm gonna do one side, and then I'm not gonna do the other side. Circular motions. Circular motions. So to me, this is all about like just added hydration, more of a matte look and a blurred look. I mean, okay. Do you see a difference between? I mean, I kind of do. Okay, let's do the other side. Circular motions, circular motions. Circular, I need more than a pea size. My face is big. Circular motions. Okay, and I am gonna do under my eyes because I did the other one, and I think that's where it would be really awesome, is if it blurred imperfections under the eyes. It's really lightweight, I'll tell you that. It has no scent at all. It's very, very lightweight. I barely feel like I don't have anything on. I don't know. What do you guys think? If you have hyperpigmentation like I do, which again, like I said, like it's getting better, but like I would love for it to have just a touch of color. I don't know, you guys. I mean, is this for like a teenager maybe? Like an oily teenager that wants just like some oil control, or a guy? You know what? This would be great for a guy. This is probably like a guy's dream. My husband probably might like this. I mean, maybe not because he doesn't want to put stuff over his face, but that might be like a gentleman that is looking, or a young lady that has a lot, like pretty oily skin, doesn't like foundation at all, but wants some oil control, maybe a little bit of imperfection blurring. I mean, I don't think that it looks any different than it did before. You let me know in the description box. Is this a scam? I mean, I don't like to use the word scam because I'm sure they're not trying to scam people out of anything, but like, I mean, you know what I mean? I think it's a glorified primer. That's what I think. I think it's weird that they call this a foundation. Are they talking about foundation because it's foundational, it is foundational in the routine, like you just build up from here? But basically what they're saying is that it's just a glorified primer for $36 that mattifies the skin, kind of gives like a soft blurring effect. I mean, I bet foundation would look pretty over this. Just putting on like a tinted moisturizer over it. Yeah, I mean, it is also really lightweight, so it is like a really lightweight primer. So if you hate heavy primers, that might be good for you. Again, if you want to spend $36 on a primer like this and have the hyaluronic acid so low in the ingredient list, I'm sorry to give this such a weird review, but so many of you guys wanted to know. I mean, I think that the skin looks pretty with a tinted moisturizer over it. It feels, like I said, the nice thing about it is it's so lightweight that you don't even know you're having like an oil control hydrating primer underneath it. But it definitely is not a foundation. I don't love that they called that a foundation. But does my skin look any better as it would if I didn't use it? No. But is it overly matte? I will say no. So just so you know, it's not overly matte, but it does do some oil control. So here it is. That's what it is. I don't understand it. Feel free to correct me in the in the comment section. I would love to know what you think. Have you tried this? Is this up your alley? Is this your jam? Do you love how lightweight it is? I mean, I don't know. Now I'm like, oh my gosh, now I have this beautiful bottle of something that I'm not going to use. So I'm obviously going to use it up as a primer. We'll see how that goes over time. But thank you all so much for being here, and let me know your thoughts, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.